Hey everybody, hi YouTube, this is Christian Brindle here, and I just wanted to bring you this informative little video as a demonstration on some things you might run into as far as a bump is concerned, where when you're looking for Medicare information on your own on the internet. A lot of times it's really difficult to find information on your own. There are some good places you can go, but I wanted to do this video as a quick demonstration, as a quick example of what you can kind of avoid when you're looking at on your own, because the last thing you ever want to do is put in your information somewhere and then you don't get any information and you get bombarded with phone calls. So I'm going to give you a demonstration of some of the things you're going to run into when you're trying to find information on your own by Google. Not everybody is like us and my organization, where we're going to find we're going to freely put out information with no hidden agenda or no transparency. Okay, so let's type in Medicare information on Google and you'll kind of see what I mean. There are some good places you can find, and some people do a good job of putting content and information out there, but not a tremendous amount. So here's a Blue Cross Blue Shield ad. They'll tell you maybe about Blue Cross Blue Shield plans, maybe. Aetna, same thing. Medicare plans online. We'll see if they have any good information here. So you'll see a lot of landing pages like this, where you type in a zip code and it wants you to compare your information. So let's put in the zip code for my office here and see what we got. Get quotes. Okay, so now it's trying to get me to give my birthday, so I'll do that. I'm not Medicare eligible yet, so I'm going to say fake year. Now it's trying to get me to give them information if I'm enrolled in Medicare. See, they're trying to qualify me. Say yes and yes. Okay, see, now watch this. I'm not going to give them my real info. I'm going to say I'm Mike Trout. Mike Trout's a baseball player, so we'll see how this goes. I'm not going to be bombarded. Okay. Now they want my address. Let's see. Now let's look at this. By clicking Get My Medicare Quotes, I provide my electronic signatures which suppress written consent to telemarketing calls, text messages, emails, and postal mail from this web address. See? Just trying to get me to agree to this. They're making it look like I'm going to get information. I'm just going to put in some fake thing here. We'll say 2365. That's not my P.O. box. We'll see how it goes. And then, okay. Oh, it knows that's not real. Okay, if someone gets a random call from this, I apologize. I'm just putting in a random phone number. Okay, let's see what we got. Ah, okay, this one's even more creative. So this one is not going to give us anything, but it was trying to get us to go to a different website, which will probably just want to get our information as well. You see how it's a game they play. There's very few places that will actually give you information. Okay, this one obviously was a joke. So let's look at another one. This is what you run into. People can spend hours. They fill out tons of these at a time, and they just get calls after calls after calls because they provided information to so many people. And a lot of times these companies will sell your information to somebody else, and then, or multiple people. You could get hundreds of people calling you if you're not careful. Let's try this one, Medicare Solutions. Oh, I know what this one is. This is a company from Health Plan 1. This one's definitely not going to give you any information, because I know this because my organization has bought leads from them before. Okay, so we'll say not sure. I'll give them my real birthday, but not my year, because they need to think I'm eligible. We'll say So as you can see, I put in all this phony baloney information. See plans. Okay, so this one does actually show me a little bit of information, but there's a cost to it. Now, the information I put in is going to get called. Lucky for me, I put in a really bad thing here. But this is only showing you some information. They're showing you Plan A, Plan N on supplements. They're not showing you Gs or anything like that. And they are showing you some, but it's kind of limited information. You're not going to see rate increases here. And like I said, you're going to get blown up by phone calls going to this website. See, it's searching for an available agent for me. They're not going to be able to get in touch with me because I didn't give them good information. But you kind of see what I'm saying. Everybody has an agenda for these pages. Okay, so we've gone through a couple now that just want to get my information to call me and bother me. Medicaregov is the government's website, but they really, the information is basically, it might as well be in Chinese. There's some good stuff on there, but navigating it's not always the easiest. I have a video that I'll put down in the comments about how to compare your prescriptions on there. It's a great tool for that. Okay, more Medicare.gov stuff, more Medicare.gov stuff. eHealth, they're a giant insurance agency. Social Security Administration, they're just going to have real generic information, to be honest with you. USA.gov, Medicare, CMS.gov. A lot of these are government websites, but they're very just cookie-cutter generic information. Let's try this one. Medicare insurance plans information. This is an ad. Oh, okay, it takes me here. You see, it's not that easy to find information on here. There's some places that are good. Let's go to the second page. Okay, this one should be interesting. Boomer benefits. Whoever the hell that is. Like, you never hear some of these people. Compare plans. Oh, almost done. Oh. Okay. Oh, so now it wants more information about me so they can get me. Mike Trout is not really looking for this stuff. But I just put in ridiculous information always because I know what's going to happen. Yeah, see? It says it's a free quoter. What a bunch of bull. You see? We'll be in touch. A friendly, no-hassle insurance agent from our team of Medicare will contact you. See, they lie. They just flat out blatantly lie. Because they say that you're going to be able to compare on their free quoter. I entered it in. Where's the quoter? See, this is this kind of stuff you want to avoid, folks. Because you can very easily be roped in, and if you do even a couple of these, like if I put my real information on here, my phone would never stop ringing because I did 3 of these. They're going to sell my information to all kinds of people probably. I'm going to get multiple calls. There might be 15 to 20 people calling me from each one I filled out. So you want to be careful about this stuff. Doesn't mean you don't want to be curious. Doesn't mean you don't want to look, but be wary of these. If you enter in your information, you're basically signing your soul away that you're going to have to cancel your phone number before they stop calling you. I've seen a lot of people fall for this kind of stuff. Folks, the reason why I put these videos out is because I want you to be able to have the information at your fingertips. And I thought this was a great video for us to make to teach you how to avoid this stuff. I'm going to give you free information, but I'm also going to give you information that you can pay very little money for and be able to know what to do. One of the ways you can do that is by picking up a copy of my book, Medicare Guidance, Picking the Plan for You. I think it's going to help you a lot. But if this video helped you quite a bit, please drop a like, subscribe, and comment on what you'd like to see for future videos. But I hope you were able to get a lot out of this. Try not to make these mistakes. Don't make yourself a target. Don't make yourself a victim to endless phone calls. Have a great day. I will talk with you soon.